Hello guys, I welcome you to Smart Kira Current Affairs 18th and 19th April in English. Who among the following has launched world's first affordable and long-lasting hygiene product, Duro Kia series? Correct answer for the same is Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He has launched this series. It is the next generation Duro Kia entry microbiological technology which starts at 189 rupees, kills 99.99% of germs instantly and leaves behind the long-lasting protective nanoscale coating of up to 35 days till next wash. Researchers from IIT Hyderabad have developed these innovative technologies to combat the COVID-19 virus spreading. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has unveiled AP Amul project in which city? The correct answer for the same is in Guntur. So Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on 16th April virtually launched AP Amul project in Guntur from the camp office here. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that the project was started following the signing of an MOU between Amul and the state government on 21st July. The project is meant to empower women self-help groups by encouraging milk cooperatives in the government sector. Name the person who has been appointed as the group editorial officer at the Hindu Publishing. Correct answer for the same is Krishna Prasad. So Krishna Prasad has been appointed as the group editorial officer. The Hindu Group Publishing Limited is the publisher of The Hindu Business Line, Frontline and the Sports Star. So let's go ahead. Who among the following took charge as the new Economic Affairs Secretary in the Finance Ministry? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Ajay Seth. So Ajay Seth has taken charge as the Economic Affairs Secretary. His appointment comes at a crucial juncture when India is witnessing the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic that is threatening to slow down economic recovery. Who among the following has been appointed as the nodal officer for COVID management in Delhi? The correct answer for the same is, kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Manish Sisodia. So Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia was appointed as the nodal officer of COVID-19 management in the national capital. He will be responsible for inter-ministerial coordination till further orders. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced this. Who among the following chaired the first meeting of National Startup Advisory Council, which is set up to advise the government on measures needed to build a strong ecosystem for nurturing innovation and startup in the country? The correct answer for the same is Piyush Goyal. He said that the council shall act as a guiding light for many budding startup entrepreneurs in India. He said that this is the first time in our nation's history where such a high-powered team of people from the private sector and government have come together so that they can take their own policy decisions. Kakarla Subba Rao was passed away recently. He was what? He was a radiologist. He was a Padma Shri awardee and he passed away on Friday. You can see it here. Which of the following company has brought AI speech tech company Nuance for $19.7 billion? The correct answer for the same is Microsoft. So Microsoft is buying AI speech tech firm Nuance for $19.7 billion. Bolstering the Redmond, Washington-based tech giant's prowess in voice recognition and giving it further leverage in the healthcare market where Nuance sells many products. Microsoft will pay $56 per share for Nuance, a 23% premium over the company's closing price last Friday. The deal includes Nuance net debt. Ranjit Sinha passed away recently. He was the former chief of which organization? It's a very famous name. He was the former chief of Central Bureau of Investigation. He passed away due to COVID-19 related miscomplications or complications. India has recently signed MOU with which country for cooperation on the Gaganyaan mission? The correct answer for the same is France. So space agencies of India and France on Thursday signed an agreement for cooperation of the former's first human space mission Gaganyaan, a move that will enable Indian flight physicians to train at French facilities. You can see it here. Who among the following has penned his memoir, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me? The correct answer for the same is Suresh Raina. So one of India's most successful international cricketers, Suresh Raina, is set to turn up author this year. News is that Suresh Raina has penned the memoir Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me with cricket writer Bharat Sundaresan. The book will be released by Penguin Random House on April 13, 2021. Which space agency is to launch SpaceX Crew 2 on April 2021? The correct answer for the same is NASA. So NASA is going to launch this flight readiness review, and it's going to launched the SpaceX Crew 22 on April 22, 2021. You can see it here. It will be launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Who among the following has received the Golden Lion for Lifetime Achievement at 78th Venice International Film Festival? The correct answer for the same is Roberto Benigni. Director Roberto Benigni will receive the Golden Age for Lifetime Achievement at the 78th Venice International Film Festival, which runs from September 1 to 11. The organizers confirmed the news about the two-time Oscar-winning actor-director today. Which company has announced $250 million venture fund for Indian startups? The correct answer for the same is Amazon. So Amazon has sharpened its focus on India's small and medium businesses, including a $250 million Sambhav venture fund focusing on digitization of small business, agri-tech innovations to raise farmer productivity, and health tech for quality in universal healthcare. Which edition of India-Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Forces exercise Khanjar has begun at Bishkek? The correct answer for the same is 8th. So 8th India-Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Forces exercise Khanjar began in Bishkek on Friday. You can see it here. International Day for Monuments and Sites was observed on which of the following dates? The correct answer for the same is 18th April. So on 18th April, UNESCO's General Conference established as the International Day for Monuments and Sites, and it is celebrated as the World Heritage Day. The day is promoted by ICOMOS globally, and the theme for 2021 is Complex Past, Diverse Futures. You can see it here. Ahmed Hussain passed away recently. He was what? So he was a footballer. So former Indian footballer Ahmed Hussain breathed his last in Bengaluru shortly after testing positive for COVID-19. He was 89 years old. He represented India in the 1956 Olympic Games in Melbourne and is survived by his wife Ayesha and son Imtiaz. You can see it here. Which Marathi film has won the best foreign language feature at the Moscow International Film Festival? The correct answer for the same is, kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Puglia. So Marathi film Puglia has won the best foreign film feature at the Moscow International Film Festival 2021, and it is continuing its immensely successful international stint. It is director Vinod Sam Peters' film about a pug and two boys and has been winning accolades at foreign film festivals. Balbir Singh Jr. passed away recently. He was associated with which game? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is hockey. So Balbir Singh Jr. was a member of the silver medal winning 1958 Asian Game Indian hockey team, and he died at the age of 88. His daughter Mandeep Samra said on Tuesday. He is survived by his wife, daughter and son. GOI Union Agriculture Ministry has signed an MOU with Microsoft for a pilot project in 100 villages of how many states? The correct answer for the same is in 6 states. So in 6 states it has been launched. The project will carry out various tasks for the betterment of farmers in the selected villages, which will enhance their income. This will also reduce the input cost for farmers and make farming easy. We will have a 1-minute break here as we move to the 19th April current affairs. Let's go ahead. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways has approved what amount for the development of RoPax jetty project on the Dharma River in Odisha? Get the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is 50.30 crore. Option D. So Union Ministry for Ports, Shipping and Waterways accorded administrative approval for the sanction of 50.30 crore for developing RoPax, roll-on roll-off passenger jetty project, and allied infrastructure connecting Kananeli in Bhadrak district and Talchua in Kendrapara district of Odisha on Dhamra River under the Sagarmala initiative. World Hemophilia Day 2021 was observed on which of the following dates? The correct answer for the same is on April 17th. So on April 17th, World Hemophilia Day is observed across the world to raise awareness about hemophilia and other bleeding disorders. April 17 also marks the birth anniversary of Frank Schnabel, the founder of the World Federation of Hemophilia. World Hemophilia Day is also held on the same date. In its ongoing efforts to strengthen the hospitality and tourism industry amidst the coronavirus pandemic, Ministry of Tourism has signed a memorandum of understanding with which of the following companies? Give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Clear Trip and Ease My Trip. So the correct answer is option number D. So in order to strengthen the hospitality and tourism industry, the Ministry of Tourism has signed a memorandum of understanding with Clear Trip and Ease My Trip. The MOU was signed on Thursday. The primary objective of the MOU is to provide extensive visibility to accommodation units which have self-certified themselves on Sathi, System for Assessment, Awareness and Training for Hospitality Industry, on the OTA platform. Who among the following is the author of the children's book titled The Christmas Pig? The correct answer for the same is J.K. Rowling. So one of world's most successful author, J.K. Rowling, is back with a new book just in time for the holiday season. She has launched a latest children's book titled The Christmas Pig. Vivekananda, known professionally as Vivek, passed away. Vivekanandan, known professionally as Vivek, passed away recently. He was a actor. He was a famous actor. He made comedy very easy. Famous Tamil actor. He passed away. He was 59 years of age. Which company has formed a strategic and commercial partnership with Adani Group to strengthen its supply chain infrastructure and enhance its ability to serve its rapidly growing base of customers? The correct answer for the same is Flipkart. So e-commerce giant Flipkart has formed a strategic and commercial partnership with the Adani Group to strengthen its supply chain infrastructure and enhance its ability to serve its rapidly growing base of customers. Under the partnership, Adani Logistics will construct a 534,000 square feet fulfillment center at its upcoming logistics hub in Mumbai and will lease it to Flipkart to address the growing demand for e-commerce in Western India. It will also support the market access of several thousand sellers and MSME in the region, Flipkart said in a statement. Which country has launched first ever food park and food processing unit in India? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Italy. So Italy has launched the first ever mega food project in India involving food processing facilities, as the two sides plan to expand ties in the backdrop of PM Narendra Modi's visit there. You can see it here. First ever UN Food Systems Summit 2021 is to be held in which month? The correct answer for the same is September. So a high-level interdepartmental group under Niti Aayog member has constituted to conduct national dialogue with stakeholders of agri-food systems for exploring national pathways towards creating sustainable and equitable food systems in India and suitably contribute for transformation in global food systems. Facebook has announced a deal with Mumbai-based clean energy firm CleanMax for a 32 megawatt wind power project in which state? The correct answer for the same is in none of these. They have signed this project in Karnataka. So Facebook on Thursday announced a deal with Mumbai-based clean energy firm CleanMax for a 32 megawatt wind power project in Karnataka. CleanMax will own and operate the project, while the social media giant will buy the power of the grid using environment attribute certificates. Who among the following has recently created a new world record in clean and jerk by lifting 119 kg at the Asian Weightlifting Championships? The correct answer for the same is Mirabai Chanu. So Indian weightlifter Mirabai Chanu set the new world record in clean and jerk as she lifted the 119 kg at Asian Weightlifting Championships to rub out the old mark of 118 kg. You can see it here. Indian weightlifter Satish Kumar Shivalingam congratulated Mirabai for attaining the new world record. Narendra Kohli passed away recently. He was the author of which language? The correct answer for the same is Hindi language. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoled the demise of noted literature Narendra Kohli, and he will be always represented for his lively portrayal of mythological and historical characters in literature. Who among the following has won gold medals at the ongoing Asian Wrestling Championship El Almaty? The correct answer for the same is Vinesh Phogat, Anshu Malik, Divya Kakran, and all of the above is the correct answer. So D is the correct answer. Vinesh Phogat won first gold in the Asian Championship, beating Meng Hussein Shea of Taiwan in 53 kg category. Anshu Malik in the 72 kg category, and you can see it here. Which of the following stadium will host the T20 World Cup final? Give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Motera Stadium. So Ahmedabad Narendra Modi Stadium will host the T20 World Cup final in November this year. The BCCI has zeroed in on 8 venues all for the October-November 2020 Cup. It will include Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Dharamshala. Who among the following has created a national record in 50-meter backstroke while winning his second gold of the Uzbekistan Open Championship? The correct answer for the same is Sirhari Nataraj. So Sri Hari Nataraj created a national record in 50-meter backstroke while winning his second gold at the Uzbekistan Open Championship here. Who of the following companies has partnered with Indian Aviation Academy and the University of Southern California for safety management system training to all stakeholders in the domestic aviation industry? The correct answer for the same is Boeing. So Boeing has partnered with the Indian Aviation Academy USC for safety training program to all its stakeholders. Commercial aircraft operator, airports and air traffic services are required to have a safety management system as per the International Civil Aviation Organization requirement. It is considered a best practice to provide a framework for hazard identification, risk mitigation and promotion of positive safety culture, Boeing said in a release. 8 Indian states are highly vulnerable to climate change according to National Climate Vulnerability Assessment Report. Which of the following states is not one among them? The correct answer for the same is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh is not among one of them. Here the option should have been none of these, but they have given 2 times Jharkhand. So National Climate Vulnerability Assessment has identified 8 eastern states as highly vulnerable to climate change. The report has identified Jharkhand, Mizoram, Odisha, Chhattisgarh as states highly vulnerable to climate change. So you can see it here. I guess then it's not the correct answer because 8 states are Jharkhand, Mizoram, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Bihar. So I guess yeah. So Madhya Pradesh is the correct answer. So Madhya Pradesh is, you can see it here, it's not here. Jharkhand, Mizoram, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh and West Bengal have states highly vulnerable to climate change. They required prioritization of adaptation interventions, the report pointed out. World Heritage Day 2021 was observed on which of the following dates? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer is 18th April. Name the person who was the co-founder of Adobe and developer of PDF that passed away recently. Who passed away recently? The correct answer for the same is Charles Gescheke. Adobe founder who developed portable document format passed away at the age of 81. Geschke lived at San Francisco Bay Area suburb of Los Altos. He founded Adobe in 1982 with colleague John Warnock from Xerox. He retired in 2000 and remained on the Adobe board until 2020. As per the recent report, Indian pharma exports have grown at what percent to USD 24.4 billion in 2021? The correct answer for the same is 18%. So pharma exports from India witnessed over 18% growth to USD 24.4 billion during the last financial year against USD 20.58. You can see it here. Which Pakistani batsman has recently defeated Virat Kohli to gain the first position in ICC Day 1 ranking? The correct answer for the same is Babar Azam. So Pakistani captain Babar Azam has overall Virat Kohli to take the number 1 spot in latest ICC ODI rankings. Babar ended the Indian captain's long-term reign at the top of the ICC men's ODI player rankings. You can see it here. Thank you for watching. I shall be back with the Hindi video of the same in some time.